Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I'm going to be unboxing the iPad 7th generation. This is Apple's budget iPad, I guess, for this year. They just released it in the end of 2019, I'm pretty sure. I'm not very sure on when they released it, but it's pretty new. So I have the 128 gigabyte variant right here. There's a 32 gigabyte variant as well. And there was a great deal that I got, and I'm pretty sure it's still going on. There's $80 off on both of the variants, the 32 gigabyte and the 128 gigabyte, so it leaves the prices at $250 and $330. So it was a pretty nice deal, and I decided to pick one up, and I guess I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys today. So let's talk about some of the things it has. It has the Apple A10 Fusion chip, and I have the Wi-Fi variant. There's a cellular variant as well, but I use my iPad at home normally when I do use an iPad, so I decided to get the Wi-Fi variant or just turn on hotspot. So let's get on with it. I took off the packaging before the video, so it would just make it easier. Just take the top off if it comes off. Okay. I'm having a little bit of trouble here. Okay, nice. So nothing on the inside of the top portion of the thing, the box. So let's put that to the side. So we have our iPad right here, and this sleeve. I have the gold variant. I'm gonna put that to the side. Okay. So let's check out what's in this box. So we have our lightning cable, obviously. Wish they had USB-C for all their devices, but I guess it's okay. I guess we have some Apple stickers in here, and I'm pretty sure Apple stickers right there, and some instructions. Also, I'm pretty sure if you get the cellular variant, you're gonna get a SIM ejection tool. So I'm not sure how many watts this is. Oh, 12 watts. So we have the 12-watt adapter right here. So pretty nice. I guess with that big battery in there. Nothing else. So this is charging cable and the charging brick. No earbuds, nothing like that. I guess that's okay. So right here. Okay, so let's look at our iPad now. So the beautiful gold design. The camera right there, the rear camera. Power button on the top right. We have our volume buttons on the right side of it. Also, nothing on the left side other than the smart connector, so you can connect the keyboard on there. We have our home button, selfie camera right there. So I guess let's take it out the sleeve now. Put that down. Let me be quiet for you guys so you can hear this. Guess nothing too fancy about this one right here, but let's take that off. Okay. So we have our beautiful gold iPad right here. Let me put this plastic cover on the side. Okay. So we have our beautiful gold iPad right here. Looks pretty nice. I had an iPad Air 2nd generation before this, which was gold as well. So iPad, nothing too special about it. I'm pretty sure the bezels on my iPad Air were slimmer, and the iPad itself was slimmer as well, but that's fine. Let's see, does it have any juice in it? Okay, so we have some power. Overall, Apple, me personally, tablet wise, Apple makes the best, and then Samsung, and then after that, I don't think any other Android or any other company makes good tablets. So I'm impressed with what Apple's done with their iPads. So I guess that's about it for this unboxing video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.